What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo Cars in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2026 Volvo V60 Cross Country B5 Ultra. So I didn't even know that the V60 still exists, and I'm really glad that it does. I didn't know they're still making for 2026 because I know the Polestar engineer was discontinued, so I just assumed all V60s were discontinued, but that's not the case. The V90 was discontinued though. But yeah, so this V60 Cross Country B5 Ultra is really nice. Obviously Ultra being the highest trim. You have the Bowers & Wilkins sound system in this one, which is awesome. The Bowers & Wilkins sound systems in Volvos is fantastic. You also have the speaker up there, which is beautiful, and even says Bowers & Wilkins over there with like a metal plate, which I really like. You still have the older Volvo logo in this, and you don't have the new screen that you find in the XC90 and the XC60, which I wish it did. And I wish the new Volvo logo was put in here because I like it a lot better. And here's the reverse camera with the 360 view. The new Volvo logo is on the key fob though. And by the way, the new Volvo logo is like, instead of being like there being empty space here, it's either black. If you have like a white interior, it's white. And I like this better. It just looks nicer to me. You have the beautiful R4 Sweden crystal gear shifter, open pore wood trim, decent center console storage. There's a good amount of depth in here, but you can't like fit bigger items because of the length. You have a panoramic sunroof, very comfortable seats. I believe this is Napa leather, if I'm not mistaken. We'll look at the window sticker in a second. Drive modes, standard and off-road modes. Steering feel is soft and firm. It doesn't really make that much of a difference though. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'm not sure if it's wireless or wired. And but yeah, the Bowers & Wilkins, one of the best parts about this car. You have studio and stage modes. But yeah, I noticed in like the new XC90 and XC60, you have like the Bowers & Wilkins experience mode, where like play like a bunch of songs to show you what the system's capable of. I don't think it's in this one though. This one just looks like a little bit of a refresh, but the XC60 and XC90 for 2026 had a, or 2025.5 and the XC90 had a huge refresh, not just like a small one. But I think little things were changed here and there on this V60. But let's walk around it and see what it looks like. This one's finished in the beautiful vapor gray. We look at the window sticker when we walk around the car. And I really like the wheels. They look awesome. Really nice, high quality looking wheels. And it looks like they have like, and the way the wheels like look with the suspension, just looks good. And the Cross Country has like the plastic wheel arches, obviously because this is meant to be used in for cross country road trips. That's the whole point of it. It's the all-terrain wagon. So this is an amazing daily driving vehicle, and you also have the safety with Volvos, of course. This one just looks really good. I love the vapor gray. It looks fantastic. You also have heated rear seats on this Ultra model. Yeah, this is a good looking wagon. I love it. As I said, I'm really happy the V60's, Volvo's still making the V60 because I love wagons. I wish the United States had more wagons. And here's the trunk. You also have a little cover for your cargo. You have a B5 all-wheel drive badge on the back, and the plastic wheel arches stick out a little bit. It gives the car like some more presence. These are high quality wheels, guys. They look awesome. And you have Pirelli P0 tires on this, 245 40 R20. V60 Cross Country 2026 B5 Ultra, 2-liter turbocharged direct injected engine with 8-speed Geartronic automatic with 247 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque, 48-volt mild hybrid system with regen braking and 13 horsepower. Starter generator, 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with all-season tires. The Ultra will give you Harman Kardon premium sound, but Bowers & Wilkins is an option, which is a $3,200 option. I would definitely go for that option because Bowers & Wilkins is awesome. These wheels are $3,300. I mean, they definitely look really nice. So they are really expensive. Graphical head-up display, tailored dashboard, crystal gear shifter by R4 Sweden, side scuff plate. This one has a luggage covered, digital interior rear view mirror link. So yeah, this one has the mirror, which has like a camera. So total suggested retail price is $67,435, 26 miles per gallon, 23 city, 31 highway. Vapor gray metallic with ventilated Napa leather, charcoal interior. I was right about the Napa leather. let's get out on the road. This one seems like a really, really nice V60. You also have ventilated and heated seats. I don't know if I mentioned that, but this one does not have massage. Some Ultra Volvos have massage seats, but not all of them. I don't know if this one had that as an option. And yeah, with this Ultra also gives you like the tailored dashboard, as I mentioned. It's like leather dash with like nice stitching. Pretty good acceleration actually. That mild hybrid definitely helps out with that. Gives a good low end torque. Obviously this is not meant to be a fast car under any circumstances. It's just meant to be a nice daily driver, and this gives you more than enough acceleration for daily driving. And I feel like a lot of people who are getting like a V60 cross country don't really expect it to be crazy fast. That's what the V60 Polestar was for. But again, the V60 Polestar is like a very niche buyer market for any Polestar, even the XC60 Polestar as well. I wish the V60 Polestar was still being made. I absolutely love those things. And man, they sell so fast. Certified pre-owned V60 Polestars sell within like a day, because like they're really, really hard to find. They're really, really nice cars. Very smooth ride. Yeah, it's really smooth. Yeah, the ride feels really, really nice. As I said, very quiet in here. The suspension, because it's a wagon, it's like has a good suspension. You feel elevated above the road. It feels kind of like a crossover. But if you want like a great blend between the sedan and crossover feel, that's what you get a wagon for. And this V60 Cross Country definitely does that very well. Steering feels nice, and the seats are extremely comfortable. Like, as I said, this is an amazing daily driving vehicle. And I think if you decided to get this car, you would really enjoy that, and it would be awesome on road trips. It would definitely be great with the cross country name. That's exactly what you would want to use this car for. Yeah, it's really nice to drive, guys. I love it. Everything feels really good in here, like in terms of the materials, build quality. Again, it does have the older screen. I do wish it had the updated screen, but you know, other than that, it's nice interior wise. I mean, it still gives you whatever you need with the built-in Google Maps and all that stuff, and the gauge cluster looks like it's a little bit updated. Let's see how this thing turns. Pretty good turning radius, nice. But yeah, as you can see, the acceleration is more than enough. This B5 motor does a good job of getting this car to move. And I'm gonna try to get a video on the Cross Country Plus, B5 Plus soon as well. Went over that little bump on the road well. It absorbed that, didn't feel like it was rough or anything, that was good. And as you can see, visibility is good in this car. It's a big wagon, so you can see out of it pretty well. Yeah, I'm impressed with this B5 motor in this car. It does a great job. I didn't expect like the pickup to be that great, but it definitely exceeded my expectations when it comes to that, you know. But now we have returned to Grubbs Volvo, so we're gonna wrap up that video. Check out my video on that 2005 wagon. It has like 500,000 miles, I think, if I remember correctly. But overall, very nice 2026 Volvo V60 Cross Country B5 Ultra right here. Thank you for watching another video, Groove Drive. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo in the description below if you want to shop for your own V60.